Hi, in front of me is OPPO Reno4 and today I would like to show you how you can download and apply live animated wallpaper called Magic Fluids. Start by opening Play Store. Now click on the search bar and type Magic Fluids. Then you need to download this app from this developer. Then open it and click at the three lines at the bottom right corner. Select Settings. Over here click I accept and customize your wallpaper however you want to. When you're done, click at the top right corner and bottom one again. This time choose Set as Live Wallpaper, click on Apply and select Home Screen or Home Screen and Lock Screen. I will go with Home Screen only, so I have to click on this option, and now when I go back, I can see that my wallpaper has changed. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to leave a like, comment and subscribe. Bye!